Have you found yourself staring at a myriad of exchange options, wondering which one truly offers the best balance of low fees, robust security, diverse coin selection, and user-friendliness? If so, you're not alone. The Canadian crypto landscape is constantly evolving, with new platforms emerging and existing ones refining their offerings. And amongst the key players, one name consistently surfaces: Newton. But is Newton truly your best choice for Canadian crypto in 2025, or are there other contenders you should be considering? That's precisely what we're going to uncover today. For many Canadians, particularly those new to crypto, the appeal of a platform like Newton is immediately apparent. They brand themselves as a no-fee cryptocurrency exchange, which, on the surface, sounds like an absolute dream. After all, who wants to watch their hard-earned money diminish with every trade? But as with most things in life, the devil is in the details. While Newton doesn't charge explicit commission fees per trade, they operate on a spread model. This means they make their money on the difference between the buy and sell price of a cryptocurrency. So, while you might not see a fee line item, you are still paying for the service, just in a less direct way. The question then becomes, how competitive are these spreads compared to other exchanges, and how do they impact your overall cost of trading? Beyond fees, a critical factor for any crypto investor is security. We've all heard the horror stories of exchanges being hacked and users losing their funds. So, when evaluating an exchange, it's paramount to understand their security protocols. Newton has made significant strides in this area. They boast institutional-grade cold storage for the majority of their digital assets, meaning these funds are kept offline and are far less susceptible to online attacks. They also partner with third-party custodians like Coinbase for secure asset storage, adding another layer of protection. Furthermore, Newton is a FINTRAC-registered money services business, MSB, and is PIPEDA compliant, meaning they adhere to Canadian regulations regarding financial transactions and privacy. They also offer features like new device registration, login activity monitoring, anti-phishing codes, and multi-factor authentication, all crucial elements for safeguarding your account. In 2025, with increasing regulatory scrutiny and a growing emphasis on consumer protection, Newton's commitment to security and compliance is a significant point in its favor. Now, let's talk about coin selection. What good is a secure, low-cost exchange if it doesn't offer the cryptocurrencies you're interested in? Newton supports a respectable range of cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, and Dogecoin, Doge, alongside over 60 other coins. This is a decent selection for most beginners and intermediate traders, allowing for diversification across various projects. However, compared to some larger global exchanges, the sheer volume of niche or newer altcoins might be more limited. For those looking to explore a very wide array of obscure tokens, Newton might not be the absolute broadest choice, but for the mainstream and growing assets, they generally have you covered. They also state they focus on high-quality projects with a strong technical roadmap and engaged community, which can be seen as a positive, indicating a curated and potentially safer selection. User experience is another crucial aspect, especially for those who are new to crypto. A clunky, complicated interface can quickly deter even the most enthusiastic newcomer. Newton prides itself on being user-friendly, offering a clean and intuitive interface across its iOS, Android, and web platforms. Account verification is often instant, and they provide multiple funding options, including Interac e-transfers, wire transfers, and pre-authorized bank transfers, making it easy for Canadians to get started. The ability to quickly deposit and withdraw Canadian dollars is a major convenience, and their claim of fast e-transfers, often within minutes, is a big draw. Their integration with tax tools like Coinly also simplifies the often dreaded crypto tax calculations, which is a welcome bonus for Canadians. This focus on ease of use makes Newton a strong contender for beginners. However, no exchange is perfect, and Newton does have some areas where it receives criticism. While they highlight no commission fees, the spread can sometimes be higher than on exchanges that charge explicit trading fees. It's essential to compare the effective price you're paying for a coin on Newton versus other platforms before making a significant trade. Some users have also reported issues with customer service, particularly regarding response times and the lack of a direct phone number. While they do have a phone number listed, their primary support channel appears to be through tickets, which can be frustrating when dealing with time-sensitive issues. This is an area where Newton could certainly improve to enhance the overall user experience. So, how does Newton stack up against its Canadian competitors in 2025? Exchanges like Kraken, Crypto.com, NDAX, and Wealthsimple Crypto are all vying for the Canadian market. Kraken, for instance, is often lauded for its robust security, extensive coin selection, over 400-plus cryptos, and advanced trading tools, making it appealing to more experienced traders. It also offers strong CAD support and is fully regulated in Canada. However, Kraken's fee structure can be more complex, and its interface might be less intuitive for absolute beginners compared to Newton. Crypto.com is another strong player, offering a wide range of features beyond basic trading, including staking, DeFi products, and a popular Visa debit card with cashback rewards. They also support a large number of cryptocurrencies and offer free CAD deposits via Interac. However, some users have reported higher spot trading fees on Crypto.com compared to rivals, and there have been some past security incidents, though they maintain a significant insurance fund for user assets. NDAX is a Canadian-based exchange that focuses on offering a secure and compliant platform for a more curated selection of cryptocurrencies, around 30 plus. They are known for competitive fees and strong CAD support. While their coin selection is smaller than Newton's, their emphasis on a streamlined experience for core assets can be attractive. Wealthsimple Crypto, part of the larger Wealthsimple ecosystem, offers a very simple and integrated experience, especially for those already using Wealthsimple for their traditional investments. It's extremely beginner-friendly, but its coin selection is more limited, around 60 plus, and its fees can be higher as they often build the spread into the price without much transparency. Furthermore, moving coins out of Wealthsimple can sometimes be more cumbersome. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.